today we are going to make a skipping rope using plastic bags that with all of the COVID-19 measures happening and grocery stores not letting us use our reusable bags, if your house is anything like mine, you are collecting a lot of plastic bags. So we're going to braid it together to make a yarn, which is called Plarn. So what you will need today is you will need some plastic bags, you will need a pair of scissors, maybe some duct tape, it doesn't have to be, but that works nicely, and then maybe just some regular tape for while you're doing your braiding. It's a great fine motor activity for our kids, gets those little fingers braiding, we're cutting, so another fine motor skill going on. But the best part is that it's ultimately a gross motor activity. It gets our kids outside and jumping and moving and having some fun. So enjoy. We are going to make skipping ropes. So what we need to do is pick a pair of scissors. You need to cut the bags into strips.
Or do you want them to be like, wait,
we're gonna braid them together after.
Is handle width a quarter?
That's what I was thinking.
One strip done.
Well, if you got them to go like this.
It can stay like this, right?
Yeah. Start braiding. Okay, when you get close to the bottom, you're going to take, say, 5 to 10 centimeters. Going to overlap them like that. Okay, so then what you do is just sort of make sure that you're doing the new bag. That's okay. Once your one is secure, and if you need to do another one, do another one. If you don't, keep going for a little bit until you do.
I think that's my...
This much.
Yours is way longer than mine.
Longer than.
Mine's pretty long.
Longer than.
That turns point. We should learn a double dutch.
Okay. When you get to the end of your rope,
Why is that?
you got the joke, didn't you?
Yeah, I think.
When you get to the end, just tie it off. Now what we need to do is we need to braid them together. You take 3 of them, braid them together. Make them nice and secure. Room to make a handle out of it. All right, wrap it around here, make your handle. All right, give her a whirl. There we go, functioning skipping rope made out of the extra grocery bags.
Can I try those?
Yep. There we go. Look at those mad skills. guys enjoyed making the skipping rope. I really hope that you enjoyed using it and that you have a lot of fun with it. Try and practice some games with it. Do some double dutch. That's our next goal, is to make two long enough to do some double dutch. Have a great day. Catch you later. This is how you make your Plarn. Plarn. Hold on to it.
Right out of 10 if your braiding your hair looks like this. Hey guys, just came back from a vacation, from a cruise. Braid it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? Now. Plarn. No.